Hi everyone, welcome back to our new session of the UiPath. In this session, I will explain you how to create a lead in Salesforce account using UiPath, and this task will be done by automatically after scripting. So before starting this, we'll need one Salesforce account login, and after login we need to add one application and create a connection. In my previous session I have already explained about this. I am not going to cover here as well. Just I am clicking on the test connection and I will show you the valid connection should be established. So if you want to create a connection or connect Salesforce account with UiPath, please watch my previous session of integrating Salesforce with UiPath. So over there I have explained here very much important part I have covered over there. So after creating an application, wait minimum 10 minutes for application to be integrated and configured properly on server, then only you are able to test the connection or establish the valid connection. So and for automating this stuff, we'll need activity package to be installed. UiPath team.salesforce.extension packages.activities should be installed. After installing this, you're able to see all the activities will be available here. So let's move to the lead. Once you click on the lead, you're able to see add lead, get lead list, update lead and delete lead. So these all four parameters will be used for adding, updating, getting list of the leads from Salesforce account. Let me show you what all leads are available in my account. Now you can see all the details are available here. I'm not going to use don't want postal code, then I don't want phone, email, industry, website, source, status. I will need that. Is converted is also I don't need this. Now let me run this and with the country name India. Run the command. There is some error in our query. Let me remove it. Yes. Now run. India is not available for where country is. I'm not going to provide the country name. So it will extract all of the lead detail from all of the countries. It will take some time because it is extracting data from the server with SQL query. So might be it will respond in some time, but for extracting data we can use it. We can also take in help from here. So after login, you're able to see here lead details are available. Let me, might be it is available in my screen. You can see all the leads are available here. So if I will enter country as USA, I am able to see this all name. Apart from that, if I want to check the street name as a UK, I can see other details are available. So let me add one lead from India location because India location is not available here. So if I will save the warnings are resolved for get lead list. So let me add one lead here. You can also check it from here in your account. Not from the object manager. Just have to go to here. Think services, and not from the services, I think from the marketing. You can see here the lead details are available here. So in my recent record I am able to see Peterson Kelvin is added here. If you want to add manually, you can do it here, but I am going to add it from this console. So you can take an example or get example data. Once you will click on this, you are able to see all of the required or non-required fields are available. You can take in help from this, add the parameters accordingly. For adding any lead name, we will need last name, first name, salutation. So if you are adding last name and first name, then full name is not required. So make sure you are adding the required data, not for the junk character. Strict, I am going to provide. City is also required, state, postal code is also required. So it is not mandatory, but you can add it in the data. So next, there is other tab is also available. Industry, organization also available. Company, we need to provide the company detail here as well, and the phone number is also required detail. So I am adding here, I am removing the industry part, or let me remove the street part, so that these detail I am going to add in my lead detail page. So let me close this. Last name I am going to add here as a Cameroon. Then first name is Dan. Salutation is Mr. Title is Director. City Mumbai. State as Maharashtra. Industry is IT. Company is test. After entering this detail, run the command. Now you can see lead is added here. Let me check, or if you want to revert the command, you can just click on this. Whatever lead is added will be removed from the server. So let me refresh this page and I will show you the new added lead list. Click on this. Now you can see Dan Cameroon is added in lead list. So whatever detail we have entered, all the details are available here. If this person will take any action, or if you want to add any detail here, then also you can update it by using update command. So I am storing my ID. We will use it for further use. Let's jump to click on OK. Update the list. So for updating, I am going to add a number. So phone, just a phone number, random number I am entering. Okay, and enter. It will not work because we have not provided other data like lead ID. So ID is entered here. Now you can see warnings are resolved, and let me run the command again. Now you can see updation is completed. If you want to check the detail of phone number is added or not, just go to your login page and check the detail. Otherwise you can extract the detail for that person to UiPath. Click on detail. You can see here phone number is updated. If I want to delete this lead, I will definitely do that by just entering the lead ID to here and click on OK. After entering this, I just have to save all, save. After saving this, I am able to delete, and that Dan Cameron will be no more available in my login. So by this way, we can automate our Salesforce activity on creating lead and managing lead using UiPath automation tool. So this will help us to minimize our effort and time, and that is also we can do that at any point of time whenever it is required, and it's continuous process. Or for automating process automation with UiPath is the best tool which is used globally. So by this way we can do our activity in minimum time and minimum effort. Hope you understand it. If you have any queries or comment, please comment in the comment section so that I'll check and revert with the resolution. And major and important part, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for the latest update. Thank you.